What's up everybody, welcome back to another episode of Food Arrow. Today we're making fresh basil pesto. Let's get started. First, we need a lot of basil, and I mean a lot of it. We want 2 cups packed of fresh basil leaves. Here we're de-stemming the basil because we just need the leaves. Wash the basil leaves and add them to a food processor. Then add the garlic and walnuts, or you can substitute pine nuts for the walnuts. Pulse the ingredients until smooth, wiping down the top and the sides of the food processor when necessary. While the food processor is running on low speed, slowly drizzle the olive oil into the food processor. This helps to emulsify the mixture, and it ensures you don't have pools of olive oil in the pesto. Add the parmesan cheese and pulse until just combined. The pesto is now finished. Store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator until ready to use. We're using plastic wrap and a glass container. Check us out on Instagram and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more tasty videos like this. Until then, happy eating.